Welcome to Advanced Raster Rendering with ProRaster Premium. ProRaster Premium is for all geospatial data professionals and GIS users. ProRaster Premium is a standalone product that creates and edits rendering algorithms that you can export as located raster images for display in any GIS or mapping application or publish to MapInfo Pro 2021. ProRaster Premium delivers you power. It includes all the capabilities of ProRaster Essential and much more. To begin your learning, go to the ProRaster Essential product page and check out the resources and videos there, and then come back. ProRaster Premium harnesses the power of algorithms with multiple layers, with layer transparency and per pixel opacity modulation, advanced data transforms, web mapping service imagery and data, as well as data conditioning filtering and more. ProRaster Premium is interoperable with other applications. You can export your algorithm to a located image raster and display it in any GIS or mapping application. The flexible export tool allows you to output a raster over any data range, over the extent of the mapping window, or clip to a complex polygon set at any resolution that you specify. Over and above the features of ProRaster Essential, ProRaster Premium has the following capabilities. Firstly, you can undock the preview map to display a resizable map window, which you can maximize to get the most out of the multi-threaded raster rendering engine. You can acquire a full raster value report at the cursor location by double-clicking in the map. So this extends the tooltip functionality to a complete report of all the information at that point. You can save MRD algorithms and then bring them back into a new algorithm as an image raster to achieve advanced effects. You can add multiple layers to an algorithm and blend those layers with layer transparency. You can use the opacity component within every layer to modulate opacity per pixel using a data transform. You can use data conditioning filters in components to filter out unwanted data values, data ranges, or colors or color ranges. And you can design and reuse data conditioning filters using the filter editor dialog. You can build advanced customized data transforms for all components using the data transform editor dialog. And inside that dialog, explore raster summary statistics and distribution histograms. Export your algorithm as a located image raster in GeoTIFF or MRR format for display in any GIS or mapping application. WMS and WMTS support allows web mapping service imagery to display with appearance manipulation and export. And support for additional raster formats is provided via the GDAL open source library. ProRaster Premium has temporal support. You can display any time point from a temporal raster. You can also use a secondary raster source to provide a data color transform for any component. For example, you can display multiple smaller local rasters using the same color modulation scheme as for a regional raster. You can control interpolation settings for all layers and components. And all features of the MRD algorithm engine are exposed and available for use in ProRaster Premium. You'll find ProRaster Premium available on the Microsoft Store. Search for ProRaster Premium Free to find a free version which you can download for evaluation purposes. And if you then decide to proceed to purchase ProRaster Premium, simply uninstall the free version, go back to the store and purchase the fully licensed version. You will require Windows 10 or Windows 11. ProRaster Premium has modest hardware requirements. I recommend 4 GB of RAM as a minimum and a multi-core CPU.